Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Rizky Nur Saada. Study ID number 200300023. Study program is Non-Education Mathematics, Universitas Negeri Padang. In here, I want to tell about the function limit. A limit function is one of the fundamental concepts in calculus and analysis about the behavior of a function approach a certain input point. A function maps the output fx to each input x. The function has a limit L at the input point P when fx is close to L when x is close to P. With word otherwise, fx gets closer to L as x also approaches P. Furthermore, when f is applied to each input that is close enough to P, the result is an output that is arbitrarily close to L. If the input close to P is mapped to every different output, the function f is said to have no limit. History of the limit. A talk included implicitly in the development of calculus in the 17th and 18th century. The modern idea of the limit function was only discussed by Bolzano, who in 1817 introduced the basic of engineering epsilon delta. However, his work was not known during his lifetime. Cauchy discussed limit in his work Cause the Analysis 1821 and seems to have stated the essence of the idea, but not systematically. The first time a strict presentation to the general public was proposed by Weierstrass in the 1850s and 1860s, and since then it has become the standard method of explaining limits. Written notation using the abbreviation lim with the arrow introduced by Hardy in his book A Course of Pure Mathematics in 1908. Definition of limit. Here are some commonly accepted definition of limit function. Function on the real number line, which is written as follows. Unidirectional limit. The x input can approach P from above, right on the number line, or from below, left. In this case, the respective limits can be written as. If these two limits are equal to L, then L can be referred to as the limit fx on P. Conversely, if both are not equal to L, then the limit fx on P does not exist. Function limit and infinity. When two elements, positive and negative infinity, are added to the real number line, we can define the limit function at infinity. These two additional elements are not numbers, but they are useful in describing limit behavior in calculus and in analysis. If fx is a real function, then the limit f as x approaches infinity is L, denoted as. In the same way, the limit f as x approaches infinity is infinity, denoted by the formula of limits. The first, limit x approaches p function fx plus function gx equals limit x approaches p function fx plus limit x approaches p function gx. The following is an example of a limit and explanation. Maybe that's no explanation about the limit. If there is mistaken in my words, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.